Let's have a look now at saving our reports to external files outside of AutoCAD. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my current drawing, saving reports to files, is part of my current project. So it's a right click, add active drawing, yes to that, and it comes up as 05 saving reports to files.dwg. So there's my current drawing there. Now as before in all these other exercises, we're going to go to the reports icon in the panel on the Reports tab on the ribbon. Click on Reports. I'm going to stick with the component exception report. I'm going to use Project as the exception there for the panel, and I'm going to switch on all of my conditions. Installation codes all, location codes all. Format, I'll go for the last table that I generated and I'll OK that. I then click on OK here. There's my 5 drawings in my project. I want to do all of them. So it drops them into the Drawings to Process panel here. I OK that now. There's all the schematic components not on panel. I go to Display Report Format. Now I'm going to add all of the information here. Now before I do that, let me just do an Alt-Tab. There's the current Excel Format 1 spreadsheet that I've generated from this drawing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a little bit of editing on the format. So let's go back to AutoCAD, and I'm going to change the report format, and I'm going to add a load more fields. Let's add that one. Let's add that one. So they've been added. So I'll OK that now. And what I'll do there, make sure that time and date is in there, project lines and column labels. So that's all been added, and there's the HDL and the SH numbers there. So that's all in place. Now, I want to save this to a file. So what I'm going to do now is click on Save to File here, and it gives me the option. I actually have 5 file types that I can save to. ASCII, report output, that's what's shown here. That's all this information here. I don't want that one. What I want is an Excel spreadsheet, and I also want to include the project line X values. I can also consider an Access database format, which obviously would go into an Access database, XML that you could put onto a web page, or CSV is comma delimited format, again something you could put into Excel. The XML format is useful if you're running an intranet within your company. You could perhaps bring that up on an intranet or an extranet page for project collaboration, for example. I'm going to stick with my Excel spreadsheet format and OK it. It asks me where do I want to save that. So if I scroll down here, you'll see that I've got an AutoCAD E 2010 folder. That is installed by default in your Documents folder when you install AutoCAD Electrical. Underneath that you've got AutoCAD Electrical Data, and there's all my project folders there, PROJ, Project. There's Schematic Reporting, and there's my Excel spreadsheets there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to overwrite Excel Format 2 and save. And it says that already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. So I hit yes there. I'm not going to run any scripts. I'm going to close the no script there. And then I'm going to close here. So that has now added that. So if I now go Alt and Tab here and go there and go Open, you'll see there's my Excel Format 2. If I open that one up, you can see, look, there's my HDL, SH, and all I've got to do using Excel, just make these a little bit bigger, bit smaller, just get them all to auto fit, and you can see the information there. So you can see there that I've exported out as an Excel spreadsheet. I could also export it to a database, a web page, and so on. Let's pop back now to AutoCAD Electrical, and as you can see there, I don't have a report on my drawing, but there's nothing to stop me now hitting Reports, and I'll do the format there that I used previously and OK that. I'll OK it there, I'll do all, and I'll OK that there. Display report format, I want to put that on the drawing, so I hit put on drawing, I OK that there, and as you can see it hasn't appeared because I've already exported it out. But if I run that again and select format and select that one there and OK it, will it put it on the drawing for me? Let's have a look and see. I'll do a do all and OK that, report format there, I'll add that, that and that like I've done before, and I'll put it on the drawing and I'll OK that. nothing comes up again because you've already exported the file out to another location. So that's how you generate your reports and save your reports to separate external files external to AutoCAD in AutoCAD Electrical.